Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep. In this episode of Masterminds and Maintenance, we're diving into the exciting world of maintenance and reliability. We'll be hearing from Michelle Ledet Henley, a developer and facilitator at the Manufacturing Game, who is going to share her journey into the industry and how she uses games to enhance reliability. You'll learn about her innovative approach to problem solving, the importance of relationships within an organization, and the impact of small improvements. So let's kick off this enlightening journey. Michelle Ledet Henley, developer and facilitator at the Manufacturing Game, is here to share her journey into the industry, the thought process and inspiration behind the Manufacturing Game's board games and simulations, and the importance of focusing on relationships and connections within an organization when it comes to improving reliability. Our conversation begins with Michelle sharing her background and how she got started in the field of maintenance and reliability. Interestingly, her story starts with good old-fashioned nepotism. Her father, a chemical engineer who worked for DuPont for 27 years, inspired her interest in reliability and reliability improvements. Michelle then explains the concept of the Manufacturing Game, a company that creates interactive simulations and workshops to help clients achieve their reliability goals. The idea for the Manufacturing Game started with her father's work at DuPont. After a benchmarking trip around the world, he realized the power of defect elimination and wanted to share his excitement with others. However, he found that most people didn't share his enthusiasm. So, he decided to create a board game that would allow people to experience the process for themselves, thus making it more engaging and fun. The Manufacturing Game has now evolved to its 5th version and continues to improve its methods of conveying the message of reliability. Michelle emphasizes that the key to successful reliability improvements is not just having great methodologies, but also engaging people. She suggests creating a learning environment where people can experiment, make mistakes, and learn from them. One of the most effective ways to engage people, according to Michelle, is to come up with a simple message and specific actions that they can take to help with the implementation. She also suggests forming small cross-functional teams to work on real-world issues. This approach not only engages the team, but also leads to significant improvements. One of the success stories Michelle shares is about a team that was tasked with improving morale at a refinery. They ended up solving a small issue that had been causing a loss of $1.5 million worth of butane every summer. This story illustrates the significant impact that small improvements can have on an organization. Michelle also emphasizes that there is no silver bullet for solving problems in the maintenance and reliability industry. It's about hard work, commitment, and creating new habits through repetition. To continue learning and improving her skills, Michelle turns to resources on adult learning, gamification, communication, and motivation. She also recommends 2 books, Made to Stick by Chip and Dan Heath, and Primed to Perform by Neil Doshi and Lindsay McGregor. To connect with Michelle and follow her journey, you can visit her website at manufacturinggame.com, read her book, Don't Just Fix It, Improve It, available on Amazon, or connect with her on LinkedIn. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of maintenance and reliability. We've heard from Michelle Ledet Henley about her innovative approach to problem solving, the importance of relationships within an organization, and the impact of small improvements. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our channel for more insights into the maintenance and reliability industry. To learn more about how Upkeep can help your team, visit us at upkeep.com. Until next time, keep exploring and innovating.